Hello students, welcome to my channel. This session will be discussing HCF models. The questions that we get under HCF concepts can be broadly classified into two categories. Model 1 is different reminders and they are given in the question. And model 2, the question gives you same reminder but it doesn't mention what that reminder is. We will discuss each of them with an example. Let's start with the first one. How a simple question on HCF model 1 can be asked. See here, find the greatest number which divides 31 and 81 with reminders being 3 and 4 respectively. Okay, you can pause the video and try and then come back. I want a greatest number that divides 31. It's important, it's not divisible by 31, it divides 31. I want a number that divides 31. I want a number that divides 81. Do we need a number that divides 31 and 81 exactly? No, the reminders being 3 and 4. So, suppose if the number is n for some time, this n when it divides 31, the remainder is 3. When n divides 81, the remainder is 4. Now, when n divides 31, remainder is 3 means 31 minus 3. If I subtract this remainder, 31 minus 3, 28, n will divide 28 exactly without remainder. Similarly, when n divides 81, if remainder is 4, if I reduce 4 from 81, 81 minus 4, 77, n divides 77 without any remainder. Now, so what is the number that divides 28 and 77 exactly? The number that divides 28 and 77 exactly is their common factor, because factor is the one that divides them. But I want the greatest number means, what is the greatest number that divides 28 and 77 means? The greatest number that divides each of the given numbers, if you recall the definition of HCF, is their HCF. HCF is the highest number that divides each of the given numbers, in this case 28 and 77. So what is the HCF of 28, 77? The numbers are so simple, you can easily say 7, right? You can see 7, 4, 7, 11. If not, you know there are different approaches. One of them is long division method. What we say, long division method, you know, take the larger number, divide with smaller number, 28 2s 56, remainder 21, with 21 I divide 28, 21 1s 21, 7, with this 7 I divide 21, 7 3s 21, remainder 0 means whenever 0, that is my HCF. So my HCF is 7. So my answer for this question is 7. Because 7 is the highest number that divides these two with the respective reminders 3 and 4. You can see 7 4 is 28, remainder 3, 7 11 77, remainder 4, right? But don't do for small numbers all this big exercise. You can directly say HCF of 28 and 77 is 7. Done? This is how model 1 question can be asked. Let's see model 2. Yeah, HCF model 2. Find the greatest number which when it divides 60, 82 and 137, the remainder is same. So the remainder is same, okay, but what is the remainder? Not given. How do we answer the question? Before we discuss this, let me give a small example. Say 27 when divided by 12, what is the remainder? Remainder is 3 when divided by 12. Let's take 51 when divided by 12, what is the remainder? Yes, 3. 12 4 is 48, remainder is 3. Let's take 87 when divided by 12, what is the remainder? 12 7s, 84, remainder is 3. So 12 divides 27, 51, 87 with the same remainder. Yes. Okay. Now, what is the difference between 27 and 51? I'm asking the difference between 27 and 51, 24. 51 and 87, 36. Now, 12 will divide these two, 24 and 36 exactly or not? 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is, yes, goes. So, what is the conclusion we can make? If a number divides two numbers or more numbers with the same remainder, the number will divide their differences exactly. Why is it happening? Because this 27 is 12 into 12k plus 3, that is 12 into 2 plus 3. This 51 is 12 into 4 plus 3. 87 is 12 into 7 plus 3. So when you are finding difference, what happens? 12 into 4 plus 3 minus 12 into 2 plus 3 means 3 gets cancelled. 12 into 4 minus 12 into 2 is 12 into 2, 24. Similarly, 12 into 7 plus 3 minus 12 into 4 plus 3 means the 3 will get cancelled. It will be 12 into 7 minus 12 into 4, that is 12 into 3. Hence, the conclusion we can say is, if a number divides two or more numbers with the same remainder, the number will divide these these differences exactly. Applying this logic here, if I want a number that divides 60, 82 and 137 with the same remainder, the number that divides these three with the same remainder like this will divide their differences exactly. So what is the difference here? 22. What is the difference here? 55. So what is the number that divides these two differences exactly? And I want greatest number. So what is the greatest number that divides 22 and 55 means? I have to find HCF of 22 and 55. Because HCF is the highest number that divides each of them. So it's obvious HCF of 22 and 55 is 11. So 11 is the greatest number that divides these two exactly, and 11 is the greatest number that divides these three with the same remainder. Yes or no? 11 5 is 55, remainder 5. 11 7 is 77, remainder 5. 11 12 is 132, remainder 5. Hence my answer is 11. Right. So this is how you get HCF model 2 questions. These look pretty simple, straightforward. Same thing, how it can be converted into a question of examination standard means it can be like this. Again, you can pause the video, read the questions slowly, answer it, try to answer it, then continue watching it. Right? Okay, so Bahubali series. Bahubali, Bhalal Deva and Kattappa lead 3 battalions of Mahishmati's army, and they have how many soldiers in their battalions? Bahubali has 10,521 and Bhalal Deva has 12,057 and Kattappa had 10,009 soldiers in his army, in his battalion rather, in the battle against Kalkeya. Now when these three divide their soldiers into smaller units of equal strength, in each battalion same number of soldiers were left behind. What do you mean by same number of soldiers were left behind? Suppose if they are dividing into smaller units of equal strength, means let us say each of these battalions are divided into small units of say n soldiers. When I am dividing into n soldiers, so many units, every case same number of soldiers are left, means every case the remainder is same. In other words, these three numbers when divided by n leaves you same remainder. If a number divides 3 or more numbers with the same remainder, the number will divide their differences exactly. Yes. So what is the difference between 10,521 and 12,057? You can see it is 2136. It will be 1536. What about this 948 0 2048? So 1536 2048. What is the number that divides them? The number that divides these three will divide their differences 1536 and 248 exactly. So what is I want the greatest number, maximum number of soldiers in each unit means this n should be maximum. What is the maximum number that divides 1536 and 2048 means? It is the HCF of them. What is the HCF of 1536 and 2048? 1536, 12. 512. With this 512, if I divide 1536, you can see 512, 3 is 1536. Remainder 0 means 512 is the biggest number that divides these two with the same remainder, means this is the highest number that divides these three with the same remainder. Hence, the maximum number of soldiers in each unit should be, answer should be what? 512. So like that we get questions. And this calculation would have been little more easier if you have written them in the increasing order, so that the differences will be minimum. You can find easily the HCF. So let us say, suppose if I write them in the increasing order, 10,009, 10,521, 12,057, what happens? See, the difference is 512, the difference is 2136, 1536. See, 512, 1536, 512 ones, 512 threes. I can easily say HCF is 512, right? Okay, so this is how we get questions on HCF models. Note down, students, please subscribe to this channel so that as and when I upload the new videos, you get the notifications. In the meantime, if you have any queries, you can always mail. The mail ID is there, sr.goranatlavan@gmail.com, or you can also reach me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.